modesty, elegance. Those were the words that describes the national costume of our Miss Universe Philippines 2024, Miss Chelsea Manalo, a proud Bulakenyan.
From the image of the Virgin Mary to the golden ornaments adorned on her gown. But what piqued our interest the most is the traditional art of the folding or puni. But what exactly is puni?
Ang puni, ito yung Tagalog term dito sa Bulacan. Ang ibig sabihin, to beautify and to decorate using the leaf rolls. Ito yung mga mahahabang dahon tulad ng dahon ng niyog, ng sasa, ng pandan, o kaya yung ginagamit namin ngayon ay buri.
Traditions and cultures does not come out of thin air. So, let's unravel the history behind puni.
Meron tayong mga malalaking bakuran nung araw. Dinedekorasyonan natin ito ng mga puni. Sabi ng mga lola namin, punihin nyo na yan. So, doon na, magbibipon, dekorasyon, bunyagan, o dasal, doon na dinadaos ko.
To be able to create such masterpiece, what really is the process of pagpupuni?
Usually, ang ginagamit talaga namin is fresh. Since yung fresh, madali siyang mag-breeder. So, nagkaroon kami ibang materials, kaya ginagamit na namin yung sunguri, ginagawang banig. Tapos, kinukulayan na namin ito. Kaya namin ito nakat sa ayon dun sa forms na gagawin.
It's really about the idea that every culture has its own interpretation. It's up to each of us to uncover its true significance. So, what does puni represent?
Sinisimbolo ng puni ang identity natin mga Pilipino. Ito yung isa sa mga kultura natin. Dahil dito si Manolos, pag makita niyo pag kaya kandaan, nakita mo ng human, diba? Alam mo yun yung nagsisilbing palaga ng kultura ng mga Pilipino.
Given that history and culture are interconnected, it's essential to explore how the unique cultural heritage of Puni has shaped the history of Puni.
Ginagamit sa spiritual religious activity. Nung palaspas, halimbawa, hindi na siya araw, ginawa na siya panabuhay.
Puni is such a wonderful craft that has persisted over time, being passed from one generation to another. However, why is such an art, so rich in culture and tradition, slowly fading from the present times?
Yung puni, wala naman siyang financial value yung pagtitigan mo. Ngayon, sulit na din. Yung mga bata, nakapaglaro ng mga laruan, sanay sa mga cellphone, mga gadget. Kaya,
Pagpupuni, muli natin igamit. Smart in the Philippines!